Yes. That is correct.
Uy, B! Dumating na yung order mo dito. Ito. Ito pa. Dala na kunin mo. Tapos ako tayo bayad. Oo, ito na ha.
Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Janek. How can I help you today? Yes. That is correct. Yes. That is correct. Thank you for calling customer service. My name is Aubrey. How can I help you today?
Hi, Tia Mike. Hi, Jane. Basti. Sorry tayo balik mamaya ah. Hi, OM. Bestie.
Di, may extra ka ba dyan? Pautang naman. Wala na kasi akong pamasahe pa uwi. Sige na. Bayaran ko next week sa pagsahod natin.